200 nautical miles, which is about 11 hours non-stop, 50% more than the 321 long range, and with the same fuel efficiency. As for those engines, the same turbofan engines as the A321neo. I came back from France on a brand new 321neo only last week on British Airways. It was a 320. In terms of engines, Pratt & Whitney geared turbofan or the CFM deep 1A engines. So the sort of route structure, the XLR will be something like New York to Rome, London to Vancouver, Delhi to London, Sydney to Kuala Lumpur. The opportunities for long-term flights covering secondary cities all around the globe. There's a higher maximum takeoff weight for the longer range, and obviously a bit more payload thrown in. Long-haul comfort of a single-aisle airliner. 101 tons takeoff weight. With something like about 60,000 litres extra fuel capacity. The aircraft's airspace cabin interior brings the benefits of long-range, wide-body comfort to the XLR. Single class configuration accommodating up to 244 passengers. Provides economy class passengers with 18-inch wide seats. Now of course the density seating layout, you can do what you like really. Depends what the customer wants and what the customer gets. Slow speed pass by the XLR. Latest generation in the kitchen today. Overhead bins, much more improved. Full flat business class seats, whatever you want, slow speed, sort of high alpha pass. Climbing up to 3,000 feet after the low speed pass. Quite a few main engineering changes have been incorporated for the XLR. New permanent rear centre tank holds the extra 12,100 litres of extra fuel. Reinforced main landing gear and nose gear for the increase in the maximum takeoff weight of the landing weights. Downwind to land. Other things you've got to think about, extra long range, well, they've doubled the capacity of drinking water tanks for passengers. All those sorts of domestic arrangements that you have to consider. The drinking water tanks must be too big. XLR.